So I get this a lot. What is a marketing funnel? Hey, it's Jim Paar. And in our videos, we teach you how to dominate the internet, give you money-making ideas to kiss your boss goodbye forever. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what is a marketing funnel. So if you've been on my channel, I always talk about funnels in my other videos, and you've probably heard me talking about marketing funnels or sales funnels. It's something I personally love, and it's because I have created a significant amount of financial reward by figuring out this puzzle, and that is a marketing funnel. And it's became clear to me. I've gotten a couple questions and some comments and they asked me exactly what is a funnel. So if you're building a business online, that's the funnel part of what you need to do. So let's clarify the marketing funnel. And essentially, it's a specific series of informational pieces. Generally, they're going to be an educational piece, or they're designed to help somebody who doesn't know what they're doing or doesn't know how to solve a problem and doesn't know what they're doing. So you can help them fulfill the greatest desire and introduce them to something. It helps them learn and get to know who you are and essentially like you and trust you and build a relationship. And at that point, it lets them know about your product, your service, and what it can solve their greatest problems. That's what they need to do to cash flow. And it happens between these different steps that are in this funnel. Generally speaking, they're going to get on a list at some point, whether it's an email list or a physical mailing list. So where did this concept come from? Isn't it a new idea, leveraging these ideas? We're talking about in this channel, it's a little bit new. It's kind of a leading edge. You hear a lot about Clickfunnels, and that is the big thing that's out there right now. So understand, in these funnels, there's pieces to it. So you're going to have a Facebook ad right here, which is going to direct them to a funnel down here. So in that piece, we call that the power content. So in that power content, we develop some content, and it can be anywhere from 15 minutes up to an hour. I recommend doing at least an hour free video piece, training them on a specific item. And so within that power content, they're able to do a strategy call with you or get something free for that. Ultimately, you're trying to drive them to an offer. So once they get done with that power content, you drive them to the offer, and then once they made a decision on that offer, they can buy there or whatever it is. And if they didn't buy there, then you want to send them to a shock and awe page. A shock and awe page is going to be, they're going to be wowed by everything that you do, and then they may come back and buy. But under that sequence, you're going to have a lot of email marketing. So you're going to keep firing to different lists, and you can use an email marketing platform like GetResponse. There's Aweber. There's a lot. ConvertClick is a great item out there. But those are ways to fire at those people to bring them back into that funnel and make a buying decision. So within that funnel, it could be is a $19.99 item all the ways up to a high-ticket item like $10,000. So these funnels work really well. And in some of my other videos is what I'm going to do. I'm going to teach you. We're going to walk through building a funnel. It'll probably be a multi-part video. but I'm going to actually teach you in ClickFunnels how to build that. And I'll even teach you outside of ClickFunnels how to do that. But funnels are money makers. So that is a way, if you have a product online and you want to send somebody to a relevant page, a lot of people do an ad, a Facebook ad, and they just send them to the home page. That's not going to do anything for you. Then you're going to have a big bounce rate. So what you want to do with that Facebook ad, send them to that funnel. Send them to a landing page where it's a long information about testimonials, everything about that product, videos, whatever they need to know. And from there, there's going to be a buy button right there if they want to buy that product right there within that funnel. And then if they buy, you can have other products to upsell in that funnel. So those are funnels, and I will do a video. Leave your comments below if you'd like me to do a video about funnels, and I will show you how to build a high authority funnel. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you watching, and I believe in you.